is very low. It's very low compared
Jags,
to those.
boy. Jags.
Yeah.
You know, but let's go back to FX Goat again. But don't you miss our times? Remember the first when we started first back then.
Bruh, you know there's a day I would always miss because I cried because of happiness. You know which day, bruh?
Which day?
I cried the day the Mabitela twins came with you driving a Mercedes. Yo, bruh.
Oh shit! That reaction you had that day.
Bruh. Yo, I was the happiest guy in the whole world, bruh. Like, bruh, I was happy that day.
You know what Jags did, bruh? Jags actually took the whole entire race just to see that. The whole entire race was out just to see that merch. Oh, that was
yo, but that was hard, bruh. So you know, bruh. Even till today, no one can do what FXGOATS did 2019, 2020. I see what happened after, but 2019, 2020, no one can do that. No one can replicate that. I wish there were cameras that would go with us everywhere. That was a move.
Look here. Doc, I'm talking about these times, but look here.
That's it. Yo.
It was crazy.
That was hard,
bro.
Yo.
This was the real FXGOATS. This one.
That was the real FXGOATS day.
Then years later. Look,
look
at
that was
Jags. Ferguson, look at Jags. Look at Jags, bro. Yo.
Looks like a child, man.
Look at Jags. I swear, Miss Dime, you were not gonna date Jags if he was looking like this.
I was a hot guy. I was a hot nigga. I was not a bless at that time. I was a hot nigga.
Bruh, look here. This was where the journey started entirely.
Bruh.
On this day. Remember what happened?
On that day, that day was hot. There's a lot that happened on that day. That was hot, bruh. That was crazy. You know, there was a day, bruh. Yo, bruh, that was crazy. There was a day, no one knows this. There was a day when the twins came on campus for a pageant. I think Andile was participating. Were you participating?
I don't remember. Was it where we were doing a campaign for GBV?
No. That was back. There was a day when Mdu, I think Mdu was the one who was modeling. And then we came on campus. And then I had a bottle of Russian beer, the flavored bottle of Russian beer. So then I put it on this other nice scoop. There was a scoop that was written Danger Khafar outside. You know that scoop?
Oh, I remember.
That scoop. Yeah, that scoop was written Danger Khafar. And I put Russian beer inside. And that was a flavored Russian beer. And the twins, I know they don't know the alcohol, those ones. They come on campus and then we go to a pageant. Inside the pageant, they say, Jaguar, what are you drinking? Why are you so happy? And then I'm like, I taste. I have that Russian beer, and I also had the thinking. I also had the Red Bulls, 4 Red Bulls, and that scoop was full of Russian beer. The twins didn't know, and then I poured them on their glasses each. They start drinking. Then they asked me, "This is nice. What are we drinking?" I told them, "This is rock.
This is far, Baba.
Real Sirocco." You know what happened? They followed, because at the time they had so much money and I didn't have enough money at that time to buy like nice bottles. They went and bought a Ciroc bottle, and the way I had mixed it, they couldn't mix it. So then when I get there the following week to them at the rest, they're like, bruh, this Ciroc is tasting different.
It's not the same, Chief. It's not the same.
It's not
one thing about you, Jax, you are the master of alcohol, Chief. When you mix, you actually mix.
A good mix. I mix.
Jax will make you pass out with one glass that tastes nice. Imagine alcohol must taste ugly, but Jax will get you drunk with one bottle that tastes nice.
I still remember Jax. The best thing Jax ever taught me was the Hennessy and the Remy Martin and tonic.
Exactly.
That thing slaps. Yeah, that thing slaps. Remy Martin tonic, even Hennessy tonic. I'll put that shit to bed all day.
Exactly. The thing is now the problem that most of the guys do, you put a lot of sugar on your Hennessy. You mustn't put a lot of sugar because you must taste the originality of the bottle. And also, right now, the way I'm so grown up now, I even dash it with water or a little bit of ice now. That's just how grown up I am. On
Hey,
my
that's
face.
crazy, dog. Hennessy with water.
Yeah.
That thing is fucking strong, but there's no way.
You must taste the bottle, bro. And when I'm drinking bottles like your XOs and whatever, I just put ice only. Ice only.
Andy, but bro, do you know if you pour like a glass of Henny, right?
Yeah.
And you start, like in a cognac glass, and it's sitting in your hand, and you're turning it like this, how how businessmen do. You'll actually notice after a long period of time, if you take a sip of that Hennessy, you can drink it like normally. The fumes are gone because the heat from your hand has extracted the fumes from the actual Hennessy.
100%.
Hey, figure, the problem is you know too much English. Hey.
Where's the F type?
In the garage.
Yes, sure. Your dad drives my dream car. Hey, you're fine, man.
Yes, sir. But it doesn't even drive it that much. Huh?
I'm saying, Jags, are you still on that F type shit?
I'll see in the next 20 years when I'm back at buying cars. In the next 20 years.
Yeah, buying cars is tiring, chief. Yo.
But congratulations, bro. Your car is fire. Your car is
that thing is comfortable as fuck, though.
Nah.
And I like the blue color though. Like that real blue, bro. It's dope. But it's
the interior for me that does it, bro.
You know.
It's the interior.
Bro, the interior is dope, bro. You fucked.
You know. Jags is out here talking about my car when I'm already thinking of buying a Ranger, bro. Oh, that car is.
I ride the photos, man. The photos, man.
Bro, you in Val, it's stupid to drive a car with like slim tires and shit. You get fucked up quickly.
It's fucked up quickly.
Yeah. Like.
Wait, do you still have a van, Ferguson?
Yeah.
Do I still have
a van?
Yeah, I still have my car.
I
was laughing in it, damn it, bro. Yo, that Ferguson, you would swear that car is still new. This guy knows how to take care of a car. Or maybe is it because he ain't on that bitches type shit? Yeah, I don't know.
No. He doesn't F inside the car, so that's why the car is dope.
Now the car looks brand new inside, 100%.
Bro, they're not even inside only, bro. Yo, you remember? I don't want to lie. Hey, Jax, I've been on this fever of what is this? I've been on this fever of buying a Ranger, something, a Raptor, something. Yo, because I'm like,
my man, listen. Let me suggest something to you. You're gonna thank me later. You see, Brad, the latest Ford Ranger, the one with the 2-pipe. Oof. Oof. That thing, bro, when it pulls up, it's like, it's like,
aggressive.
That thing is vigorous, bro. It's vigorous.
Andy, bro, if you want to buy it, if you want like a massive truck, though, like the biggest bucket you can get, bro, get something called a Dodge Ram.
That one is 4 million. You can never spend 4 million on a van. Never.
Yeah.
There's no way, Chief. I'm not spending 4 million on a van.
You can't spend.
Where am I leaving the Lamborghini? Who am I leaving the Lambo with?
You rather buy a Urus. You can never spend 4 million on a van. Never. I see your suggestion, but your suggestion is out.
No, wait. Ferguson and Jax, tell me something.
Yeah.
Are you guys also abusive on the road? Like, you know people that drive Rangers. Yo, bruh, they will show you that if you crash on us, you are the one that's getting fucked up.
I put everyone out the way, bruh. I drive on people like heavy. They must move.
Same thing I do.
What?
I drive on.
Why are you guys so abusive, though?
Move.
You
know what I'm saying?
What the fuck?
Chief Marish, why do you guys have a filter on? Is there a problem of a filter? Does it abuse you? Do you feel like and how much money does it deduct from your account, the fact that you have a filter on?
Your profile picture automatically looks like you have one as well.
So why are you worried? You could have simply just went to another person's live and leave us alone.
Jax, wait, listen. You know what's one thing about being an influence or being a good person to people and helping them out? They fight your battles. Look at this, bro. This nigga just said dumb question.
Great, bro.
Apelele loves a GD6.
Bro,
it's dope.
Look who's even roasting me. He said, why do you have a filter on? Like, dog, look at you. You need a filter, dog.
He looks like he's a doctor, though. I trust him.
Listen, one thing about having people talk that you actually look out to, bro, they will fight your battles. Look, we are just quiet. They're just there.
Look at this. Look at this. The lack of money makes you ask stupid questions. Shit. Shit.
You know, one thing I've learned about people who lack funds in their life, even when you tell them that take $20 and subscribe to something and learn about how to make money, they won't, because they've been too poor in such a way that they even feel like $20 is a lot of money.
Yeah, too much.
Yo, Brian, $20 is not money, chief. You know, when I think about it now,
$20 is not man. You remember when you started?
What the fuck? This
Look
bitch
at this
is like,
bullshit. This
imagine,
I will not tolerate. This I will simply not tolerate.
Lol,
imagine dating a guy who puts on a filter.
Bro!
Yo, with no filter, I look like this. I woke up like this. I haven't even fucking showered and I look like this. Fuck out of here, man.
Bro, this bitch is mad, bro. What the? Bro, he's like, imagine dating a guy who puts on a filter. Like, the main question here is, do you think you even qualify for us to date you? Like, to start there. Let's start there. You're not even in the category of our smash list, bro.
Hey, let's see, bro. Let's see, bro.
Bro,
Let's not start